Wanda, and welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to you too. All right, so today I have finally decided to start decorating for Christmas. Last week I went ahead and took down all of my fall decor, and I took you guys along with me as I did some cleaning and taking down everything. And so this week I was finally able to pull out a couple of Christmas decor pieces. And this year I'm thinking I'm going to keep it at a minimal look, but yet also beautiful. So if you like decorating for Christmas, you like making your home look beautiful, let's go ahead and jump right on into it. When I'm decorating for the holiday season, I like to reuse items that I've used the previous year into a new year, but maybe somewhere different in my home. I like to try things out. Also, these stockings here, they came from Amazon. I'll be using some white and green ones, along with this beautiful bell here, this golden bell with the pop of red in it. I picked this one up from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago and fell absolutely in love with it. So I'll be using this on the fireplace as well. And also the other decor pieces, I picked these up from Amazon. I just had them shipped to me and it came in the mail. And I got these last year as well, along with these beautiful silver deers. So as I'm decorating, guys, I'll make sure that I leave a link for you in the description box below to let you know where everything came from. But I'm going to start first with these pool noodle sticks that I picked up from the dollar store for only $1. I picked up quite a few of them, and then I put ornaments on them and put them on the stairway. But this year, like I said, I'm going to put it on the mantle. I'm just reusing it, and so I'm just going to place it up here, make sure it holds really good. And I am going to come back with a little bit of command tape and just make sure that it sticks well. And then after I put the pool noodle sticks up here, I just go back in with some stems to make it look full and absolutely bright and beautiful.
I see the candles come as the year gone by. All thrive for perfection now, and consumption so high. I know it's cold outside, but
when I got to the end of the mantle, I just used my knife to kind of cut it off, and I don't have to worry about anything showing because when I go back in with my stems, I'm just going to fill everything in and make sure everything's covered.
But I don't need to press it. She's wishing for snow, and some company by news that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone. I don't wanna be here alone.
I want to make sure that my wreath looks completely filled and full, so I'm going to go throughout it and just add these stems. The green stems with the frost on it, they came from Amazon last year. And all the other stems, I remember picking those up from Michael's and also Hobby Lobby.
But that's okay with me, as long as you're here.
I went in and I added this white skirt underneath the tree just to add some brightness to the area. And this year I'm going to keep the tree quite simple. I'm not going to be adding any ornaments since I have a lot already on the mantle. And then next I'll be coming in with these stockings that I picked up from Amazon. I'm loving the winter green stocking along with the white ones. And then they do have like a pop of gold in it, which makes it absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be adding stockings on both sides here. And then next I'll be coming in with some decor pieces at the bottom. So first I'll be adding these silver cones, and I think these are absolutely gorgeous. They're beautiful. So I'm going to go and just place those down at the bottom. And I picked up this white slate actually from the Family Dollar store. And just place it down there as well. And these beautiful silver deers that I got from Amazon. And the look is quite complete. And then I'm just going to go in the middle next with a decor piece that I picked up from also Amazon last year, and just put it down there in the middle along with this golden bell that I showed you guys earlier, and place it in the middle of the fireplace. And the look is quite complete. I'm loving the way it looks. It's simple, elegant, and also beautiful and ready for the holidays. now I'm just vacuuming my living room area just to pick up anything that may have fell while I was decorating, like any frost from the stems. I want to make sure I get all of that up before I move on. I wanted to add a little bit more character to the mantle, so I went in with these golden candlestick holders and also white candles that I picked up from Amazon last year. And I'm just going to go ahead and just place it on one side of the mantle. And I think that it gives it such a great Christmas feeling, and it also helps complete the look even more. But you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below about these candles. Alright, so now it's time to move on to the foyer area, and I'm going to start first by getting it clean and wiped down so we can start fresh. And then next I'll be bringing in the decor pieces that I'll be using, and if I don't use all of them, I'll just go ahead and put it back and maybe use it somewhere else in my home, or just reuse it for next year.
I see the candles come as the year gone by. All thrive for perfection now, and consumption so high. I know it's cold outside, but give me.
So for the foyer, I'm coming in with these books that I picked up from Amazon last year. And these books actually have blank pages on the inside of them, but who's gonna know? Nobody would never know unless they open the books. And then I came in with this beautiful black vase with red cherries on top, and this came from Hobby Lobby. I'm loving the elegance of this, the look of it, the feel of it. And this year I'm going with something more traditional, with bringing in those classic red colors that we all know and love. And to me, there's just something so special about those rich red Christmas colors. They feel very warm and welcoming. And then I came in with some white candle holders that I picked up from Big Lots, and I'll just be adding some red candles on top of those that are also from Big Lots. This was a simple DIY project I decided to do. I wanted to make my own picture this year, so I printed out some words on the computer, and then next I just had those words blown up a little bit, had it enlarged, just to make sure that it fit the frame that I was using. And guys, this was very inexpensive. I'm reusing a frame that I've already had, along with the paper. It cost barely nothing to actually make this. So I think, like, for years going on, I might just be changing out the words to pictures, because I'm loving the way that this turned out. And then after I placed it here, I think it complements the books really nicely, along with the flower with the red cherries. And also I just went ahead and added this deer that came from Big Lots, and I added this Believe sign. And I believe I got this from Big Lots as well.
And some company by those that I hold.
For the bottom part of the table, I decided to keep it very simple, so I'll be adding just this basket along with the throw blanket. The throw blanket is from Amazon, and I believe I picked that basket up from Family Dollar. And then I'll be next going in with a couple of decor pieces like trees that I picked up from the dollar store as well. Guys, it didn't take much to make this look come together. It wasn't expensive at all. So these trees here, they actually came from the dollar store, and I picked these up last year. So I'm just going to be placing them down here along with a golden tree in the middle. Now this golden tree, it was from actually Hobby Lobby last year. I remember picking that up. And then next I'm doing something a little different, out of my comfort zone. This is my first time trying this, so I wanted to see how it would look. I wanted to place some logs inside of the basket just to see how it turned out. And quite to my surprise, it really turned out great. It looks so cozy and very nice here, so I'm glad I tried it. I picked up these beautiful stems from Hobby Lobby, so what I'm gonna do with these is just take these around the mirror just to kind of complete this whole look in the foyer. And I'm just gonna kind of place them behind my mirror, stick them in there, kind of like guide it to see how I want the look to look. I do want it to look full, so I'll be using just a couple of stems. And this is the way everything turned out. I'm loving the way all these colors are flowing together so nicely. They're playing really well together, especially with all those cozy reds, the black colors, the white colors, they're flowing real smoothly. And I also added a black and white rug. I don't know if you can see it here, but yeah, there it goes. Just to kind of pull those colors in together even more. And guys, I will see all of you on the next video, but I hope that each and every one of you have a wonderful, safe, and a joyous holiday season. Continue to take care of yourselves and also your families. And I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.